Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a video about sprinkler troubleshooting. So, if we look, I'm at my client's house right now, and they said I could do a video, so I'm going to keep license plates and their house and everything out of the video. It's just me talking and showing some sprinklers. So we can see this one, it's not coming up all the way, or really at all. So it falls back down, there's a lot of wire coming out from around the base. If we move over onto this one, we see it's the same problem with this one. And this one seems to be okay, but there's no wire coming out around the base, which is good, but it's not, it's full height. And then on the same set as some of these larger, I call them mechanical sprinklers. We can see over here we have a lot of water. And we can see it's mostly coming from this puddle over here. But I already know why that's happening. So we're going to go this way. It's because the sprinkler right here, it's a very streamed sprinkler, so at the end of its arc, it just sits over there for a second and it just drenches it. And over here, we can see that there's a lot of water over here, but that's primarily because of this one's hitting the mud, and it's just creating a ton of water. But if we walk over here, yeah, there's some water over here. I'm not too worried about that though. If we walk over here, it's just a puddle. So all of that's underwater. All of that. There's a dog, but all of that's underwater. So this is just one massive puddle. So there's a ton of water here. So I'm just kind of walking on the tall parts. So yes, we have a sprinkler here, right over there by that white pipe. We have one over there in the corner. We have one there, obviously, and we have another there. But those 4 sprinklers alone should not be causing this much water to build up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for anywhere where there might be movement in the water. So like right here, I can see that there's water flowing over this log right here. So it's going this way, so I'm going to go this way. It's really wet up here. So I can see that there's a lot of water moving this way, especially right here. So that's a lot of water moving this way. I can see it's also coming from over here. So I think there's a problem somewhere over there. If we look, oh my, there is. So there's a big hole there. There's much water coming out of it. And I know there's not a sprinkler there. So that's a pipe issue. I hate those. You never know what you're gonna find. It could be, and the pipe might not actually be there. Thank you, sprinkler, for getting me soaked. So the problem with these is that we have a lot of trees in this area, so that means there's gonna be a lot of tree roots. So there could be a tree root that breaks the pipe over there, and then the water just tunnels through over here until it hits a area with relatively little tree roots, and that's where it decides to show itself. The problem could be way over there. It's probably not though, because it's dry. But the problem is you never know. And it could just be a simple pipe break, or it could be a tree root got inside and went all the way down this way and broke all of that. And then I have to tunnel all that and get it all up. But yeah, that's a quick little tip. Just follow where the water's coming from. Follow the currents. If you want, you can make it so the water's a little muddy. You can see some currents, and I can see that currents going that way. So, thanks for watching.